हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज की एक बहुत ही छोटी सी टॉपिक है इन अवर प्रीवियस चैप्टर रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ। इन रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ we discuss about the health issues related to the reproductions. In that, the overpopulation is most dangerous issue in health regarding the reproduction. Then we have to see the different methods of birth controls. Family planning are the strategies to reduce the overgrowth of the population. We have the birth control or family planning like strategies. In birth control, we have discussed about contraceptives. Contraceptives are the method or device procedure to delay in the pregnancy or to delay or to avoid the pregnancy. Even though by after the using of contraceptives, after that also suppose the conceive is happening, the pregnancy has takes place, then what to do? There are many reasons, there are many chances for conceive or for getting pregnant, even in unwanted condition also. So here wantedly, intentionally, voluntary, we are going to terminate. Terminate means removing. We are removed. We deleted the baby pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of pregnancy. It's called medical termination of pregnancy, which is also called induced abortions. We have heard the word abortions. We are removing the developing fetus, developing baby intentionally or voluntarily. This is what MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. This in examination question will be asked for 3 marks. 3 marks का सवाल इस पे आ सकता है MTP पर। तो MTP क्या है? हम वहाँ पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल कर रहे थे, फैमिली प्लानिंग कर रहे थे, पॉपुलेशन जो जब बढ़ रहा है उसके कई स्ट्रैटेजीज हमने प्रोड्यूस किए, उसके अंदर कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट था या है। लेकिन वहाँ साइंटिफिक तरीका एक और ये भी है, प्रेग्नेंट होने के बाद भी हम उसको डिलीवर नहीं कर सकते, या फिर हम उसे जानबूझकर इंटेंशनल वॉलंटरी हम उसको रिमूव करते हैं, उसको हम बोलेंगे मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, MTP। ठीक है, टर्मिनेशन का मतलब होता है निकाल देना। टर्मिनेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? निकाल देना। तो बच्चा फुल अभी डेवलप होने से पहले, अभी बच्चा बना नहीं, अभी बन रहा है, बिफोर फुल टर्म we are removing the babies from the mother uterus is known as MTP. It was observed that nearly about 45 to 50 million MTPs are performed all over the world. हर साल, every year, हर साल दुनिया में 45 to 50 million MTPs हो रहे हैं। ठीक है, so because of this MTP play a significant role। ठीक है, MTP एक सिग्निफिकेंट रोल निभा रहा है इसके अंदर, बोले तो पॉपुलेशन कम करने के अंदर। यहाँ ऐसा समझ में आया है, ऐसा देखा गया है कि MTP पॉपुलेशन कम करने के लिए नहीं कर रहे। कौन से भी पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे को पैदा होने से पहले मारना पसंद नहीं करते, लेकिन MTP एक ऐसी कंडीशन में किया जाता है जहाँ पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो आगे, वैसी कंडीशन में किया जाता है, ना कि ये सोच के कि दुनिया की पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है, हम अपने होने वाले बच्चों को मारेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता। सो बट जाने अनजाने में इट इज गोइंग टू प्ले ए सिग्निफिकेंट रोल। क्योंकि देखो जरा 45 to 50 million MTPs आर परफॉर्मिंग ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। इतने सारे जब MTP हो रहे हैं दुनिया भर से, तो ये एक सिग्निफिकेंट रोल निभा रहा है वर्ल्ड की पॉपुलेशन को कम करने के अंदर, ठीक है। अब ये एमटीपी, ये रिमूविंग ऑफ द डेवलपिंग बेबी, destroying of the pregnancy is not so easy. It is going to be banned in several countries. बहुत सारे कंट्री में ये बैन है और इवन इट इज डिबेट इस पे चल रहा है, इस पे बहुत सारा डिस्कशन चल रहा है, क्या इसे लागू करना चाहिए, क्या एमटीपी बनाना चाहिए, एमटीपी होने देना चाहिए या इसे रोक देना चाहिए। So it was banned in many countries. There are many countries have emotional, ethical, religious and social issues. इस पे हर अपना अपना धर्म का स्टेटमेंट है, रिलीजियस है, सोशल है, एथिक्स है एंड इमोशनल है। तो बहुत सारे वहाँ इश्यूज है, बहुत सारे वहाँ रीजंस है टू डिले और टू बैन और डिबेटेड दी topic MTP in many countries. But in the year 1971, Government of India has legalized permission for MTP. MTP आप भारत देश में कर सकते हैं, इंडिया इसकी परमिशन दे चुका है इन द ईयर 1971 में। अब ये परमिशन देने के पीछे बहुत सारा रीजंस है। वो रीजन क्या है, क्यों हम MTP परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं? Why MTP legalized in India? The first reason is unwanted pregnancies. There is unwanted pregnancies. वहाँ बहुत सारे रेप केसेस, casual intercourse है। Because of those, the female get pregnant. She does not want the pregnancy. This is a reason. This is for this it is legalized in India. For example, रेप, अब रेप को तो हम रेप जो होना था वो बुरा है, गलत है, हो गया, बट शी गेट प्रेग्नेंट, सो व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट? सो वहाँ MTP कैन सॉल्व दैट, MTP कैन डिस्ट्रॉय दैट, MTP कैन टर्मिनेट दैट प्रेगनेंसी, दैट इज व्हाट अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी। फॉर अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी इंडिया इज मेक लीगलाइज्ड, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट इज लीगलाइज्ड MTP। सेम थिंग अनप्रोटेक्टेड इंटरकोर्स। There are many family plannings are there, and suppose they perform unprotected casual intercourse, they get pregnant, those pregnancies they don't want, so at that time they can go for the MTP. Same thing, failure of contraceptions. Suppose they already have one child, they does not want the further child, they at that time they are using contraceptives, but failure of contraceptives have become failed, at that time they can go for the MTP. Suppose there are many conditions, the developing baby or fetus is going to be harmed, it is a harmful for both, for mother or for child, and in such condition for both, जो पैदा होने वाला बच्चा होता है वो माँ के लिए खतरा हो सकता है या फिर बच्चा अपने आप में डेंजर हो सकता है या फिर दोनों के लिए, उस कंडीशन में भी डॉक्टर्स कैन सजेस्ट दी MTP। ओके, सो ये MTP वाई कब क्यों MTP करना है, इसलिए। अब MTP करना कब, इसका एक समय होता है, आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन, आफ्टर इम्प्लांटेशन, आफ्टर गेटिंग प्रेगनेंसी कंफर्मेशन, देयर इज द फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर, मींस the 12 weeks of the pregnancy, 12 weeks of the pregnancy के अंदर ही, फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर के अंदर ही आप MTP कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर में आप MTP को परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते, क्वाइट हार्म टू द मदर। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज एन वेरी शॉर्ट टॉपिक, medical termination of pregnancy. This will be asked in the examination for 3 marks. The notes of this topic I will send you as a PDF. Okay. Yes. After the MTP, the next topic, that is the STD, and this is also can ask for 3 marks. Sexual transmitted diseases. In second PUC you have a chapter health and disease, human health and disease, where you come to know about details of the disease, how the disease or infection happen to an individual. So here the disease, it may be any disease. There are many diseases. That disease, especially those disease or infection which is transmitted or which is transferred or which is happen to the individual only through the sexual intercourse, only through the sexual contact. Any disease that disease, especially sexual transfer disease, is happen to the body. Such disease is called sexual transmitted disease. These diseases are transferred. One of the way of the sexual contact. Along with sexual contact, they can also transfer by another mode. That also we can study. But one of the way of transfer, that is the nature, that what sexual contact in between the two individuals. Such diseases are called sexual transmitted diseases. So here a sexual contact takes place with the healthy person with the infected person. ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ರೋಗ ಆ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬರುವ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. Such disease are called STD, or we can say venereal diseases, or we can say reproductive tract disease, which also called reproductive tract disease or reproductive tract infection also is called. For example, for example is gonorrhea, syphilis, hepatitis, AIDS, etc. ಇಂತಹ ಕೆಲವು ರೋಗಗಳಿವೆ. ಅವು ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆಗಬಹುದು. So it means the sexual contact is bad, sexual contact is not good. No, it is not like that. Suppose you are contact with infected person, ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಂತಾಗೆ ಆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್. Suppose both are healthy means no problem. Okay. Now see these disease, of course they are transferred along with the sexual contact. Along with that there are many other modes, there are many other way for transmissions. So here let us look at the mode of transmissions. So first mode is sexual contact with infected person. A healthy person can go into intercourse, can go into sexual contact with the infected person, means of course he can also get the infection. Sharing of injection needles. What we are sharing in a hospital or in any medical place, we are distributing a same instrument, or we can say a injection needle to all the peoples. At that time also the possibility of the transmission of disease. Transmission of contaminated blood. In many conditions, there are many reasons, there are many problems. We can in need of blood. At that time we can transfer the blood. At that time we can call to anybody and we take their blood. Suppose they are receiving the blood from another person, he has the infection, means that infection easily transferred to the another one. So we have to take care regarding the transmission of blood. ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ತಗೋಬಾರದು, ಇದು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Right? Another way, that is the mother to fetus. Suppose the pregnant mother already have this disease, means there is no bonding, there is no any barrier between those two. The disease can easily transfer from mother to developing fetus. So these are those modes, these are those possibilities for transmission of sexual transmitted diseases along with the sexual contact. So students, how can we prevent this? Preventive measures, can be controlled, it can be stopped. Yes, of course, there are primitives are there are certain preventions are there. That is, very first, that is the avoid sexual contact with the unknown person, or we can say multiple partners. This is the first and most important. We have to the people have to avoid the sexual contact with the unknown person, because the unknown person we don't know how is he, right? And multiple partner also. So this is a one thing for prevention, for avoiding the STD. Then always use contraceptives. We know what is this. We always use the contraceptives like condoms during the intercourse. During the intercourse, we have to use this. It can prevent, it can make a barrier between the transmission of the disease. Yes, in case of doubt, suppose you are observing any symptoms in your body, means in case of doubt, you must, and very fast, you have to consult or contact with a qualified doctor, right? So with this is an STD, sexual transmitted disease. This also come for the how many marks? 3 marks, right? 3 marks के लिए पूछा जाता. Fine. So regarding the notes, the PDF I will send you in the video. वीडियो होने के बाद अभी मैं आपको PDF कॉपी भी नोट्स इसकी भेजूँगा. Okay? Thank you.